Now, previously in this tutorial, especially in the first 3 chapters, we looked at how to quickly apply styles to the different elements of your document. And we looked at this style gallery here, and we changed things like a title, heading, and so on. But there's a way you can be a little more granular about that, and that is you can click on the Style button here, opening up the Style window. And now the caveat here is that you don't get that live preview. So if you want to change it to heading 1, you can give it a click. You can give it a click to change it to title, and the screen tip here shows you exactly what that formatting will entail if you make the click. The only thing I can offer here is that if this show preview isn't enabled, you might want to enable it. That way you'll get at least a feel for what the change is going to look like. So that really is more of an older style of applying formatting changes without the live preview. So that's another way to apply styles to the document. Another thing you can do is you can switch styles by clicking on the Change Styles button here. That brings down 3 options here. You can choose from a different style set, and because you're using the ribbon, you will get a live preview, so you can change your style set to simple, modern, traditional, and so on. So I'll change it to modern. Now this not only changes selected text, as we saw before when we were just changing a paragraph style for some words in the document. This redefines what every single style means in the entire document. It changes the heading 1 and the heading 2 and the heading 3 and so on to match a style set. You can also do similar tasks with colors. You can choose from different sets of colors. So again, the live preview helps you see what that change is going to look like before I select the equity color set. Also, I can select entire different font sets as well. So if I want to change the overall look and feel of my document, it's once again easier than ever before. I can preview lots of different font sets and then click and save it. Now, if I want to save that as the default, bingo, I set the current, wait for that screen tip to come up again. I'll set the current style and theme as the default when I create a new document. So, as you're creating, if you see something that you're like, hey, I want every document to look that way, go ahead and give that a click, set as default, and you're on your way with future documents looking pretty similar to the one you've got there.